Mr. Brown, you understand if I am to grant you bond today, that you're not allowed to have any contact with the victim or any members of the victim's family. That contact, of course, means no third-party communication, telecommunication, or written communication. And the violation of that is going to subject yourself to sitting in jail until the actual court date, all right? Yes, sir. Investigator Powell.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. In looking through the record, Mr. Brown does not have a criminal record that we are aware of. He has complied with the request of law enforcement. The state is not opposed to a low bond and will do at discretion.
Thank you very much. Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Melvin Brown's a longtime resident of Orangeburg. He's lived here for over 30 years, been married for over 34 years, has an adult child. All his family's here, or at least in South Carolina. Most of them are local here in Orangeburg. He's been a teacher for most of his 30 years, teaches music. He's got no prior criminal history. I mean, this is a perfect candidate for a PR bond. He understands he wouldn't have any contact. That's not going to be an issue. He's not a violent person. And this is just, these are some serious charges. We recognize that, but we're going to address them. We'll have that opportunity at a later date. I see no reason not to give him a PR bond or a low bond in the court's discretion, of course. And he has been fully cooperative. He's cooperated with me. He came here when I told him to be here, did what I told him to do, done everything I've asked of him. Thus far been a model client.
So this allegedly occurred on the 17th of July. Signed an arrest warrant on the 31st of July. And Mr. Brown came in when today? Today?
Investigator Powell contacted me yesterday, I believe, and we agreed he would come in today.
All right. I don't have any objection to a personal recallness. I do know Mr. Brown and think he's going to be a flight risk, but if not, I'm pretty sure somebody know how to find him. It might not be pretty if you flee, Mr. Brown. $2,500 personal recallness on each one of the charges. Can't leave the state of South Carolina. Stay out of trouble and, of course, appear for court, all right? Have a seat at the table, and we're going to get you to sign something, Mr. Brown, just a second, please, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.